Artificial intelligence, or AI, has become a buzzword in recent years, but its impact on the workplace is far from a passing trend. As AI technologies continue to advance at a rapid pace, they are transforming industries across the board, from healthcare and finance to manufacturing and retail. In this video, we'll explore how AI is revolutionizing the way we work and what this means for businesses and employees alike. Part 1. AI in Healthcare. The healthcare industry has been one of the earliest adopters of AI technologies, and for good reason. AI-powered tools are helping doctors and researchers make more accurate diagnoses, develop personalized treatment plans, and streamline medical processes. For example, AI algorithms can analyze medical images like X-rays and MRIs to detect abnormalities with incredible precision, reducing the risk of human error. Additionally, AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants are being used to provide patients with 24/7 support and guidance, improving access to care and reducing the burden on medical staff. Part 2. AI in Finance. The finance sector has also embraced AI, using it to automate complex tasks, detect fraud, and make data-driven decisions. AI algorithms can analyze vast amounts of financial data in real time, identifying patterns and anomalies that human analysts might miss. This has led to more efficient risk assessment, improved investment strategies, and better customer service. AI-powered chatbots, for instance, can handle routine customer inquiries, freeing up human agents to focus on more complex issues. Part 3. AI in Manufacturing. In the manufacturing industry, AI is driving a new era of automation and optimization. Smart factories powered by AI and the Internet of Things, IoT, can monitor production lines in real time, predicting maintenance needs and preventing downtime. AI-powered robots are also being used to perform complex assembly tasks with incredible precision and consistency, reducing errors and improving overall product quality. Additionally, AI algorithms can optimize supply chain management, predicting demand, and ensuring that resources are allocated efficiently. Part 4. AI in Retail. The retail industry is also being transformed by AI, from personalized shopping experiences to optimized inventory management. AI-powered recommendation engines can analyze customer data to provide tailored product suggestions, increasing sales and customer satisfaction. AI algorithms can also optimize pricing strategies, predicting how customers will respond to different price points and adjusting accordingly. In brick-and-mortar stores, AI-powered cameras and sensors can track customer behavior, providing valuable insights into shopping patterns and preferences. Part 5. The Future of Work. As AI continues to transform various industries, it's clear that the future of work will look very different from today. While some fear that AI will lead to job losses, the reality is more nuanced. Yes, some jobs will become automated, but AI will also create new roles and opportunities. As mundane, repetitive tasks are automated, human workers will be free to focus on higher-level, creative work that requires empathy, critical thinking, and problem-solving skills. Additionally, AI will create entirely new industries and job categories that we can't even imagine yet. The impact of AI on the workplace is only just beginning. But one thing is clear. Businesses that embrace AI will be the ones that thrive in the years to come. By leveraging the power of AI to automate tasks, optimize processes, and make data-driven decisions, companies can stay ahead of the curve and remain competitive in an increasingly digital world. At the same time, it's important to approach AI with a human-centric mindset, ensuring that the technology is used to augment and empower human workers, not replace them. As we navigate this new era of AI-driven transformation, it's up to us to shape a future where humans and machines work together in harmony, creating a more efficient, innovative, and fulfilling workplace for all.